Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this gentle yoga practice you can do anytime when you don't feel like exercising or stretching or doing yoga. So let's begin lying down on our backs. Slowly roll down onto your back and then hug your knees in towards your chest for full wind pose. Press your whole back, especially your lower back, into the ground. Hold on to your knees and just take a moment here to notice how you feel. Connect with your breath, connect with your body. Let go of the thinking mind and really tune into your feeling body. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out and allow your body to soften. Very good. And then slowly place your feet on the ground with your heels close to your bum. Your feet are hip width apart and your knees are up. Place your arms along your body, palms facing down. Inhale, slowly lift your hips up for bridge pose. Keep your head in the center. So press your hips up towards the sky. This is a very nice, gentle but energizing pose. Stretch out your front body. Slowly release and lower your hips down. Then for a banana stretch, a really nice full side body stretch. Lift your hips up and place them towards your right side. And bring your upper body a little bit towards your left. Lengthen out your left leg and then your right leg. You can keep your heels next to each other or cross your right leg over your left ankle. So take a moment here to play around. See what feels most comfortable and place your hands on your hips. Make sure that your right hip is not lifting up. Keep it grounded. And then keep your hands wherever is comfortable. You can also place them overhead. If that's too intense or if you notice your arms start to fall asleep or getting a little bit numb, make sure to release and find a different position for your arms. So take a deep breath in your banana pose, stretch. Deep breath out. And each time you exhale, allow your whole right side body to open up, your right rib cage, right side of your hip, your IT band. And take your final breath. Slowly place your feet on the ground. Come back to center. And then lift your hips up towards your left side. Lower your hips down. Adjust your upper body. Place your upper body, your head a little bit towards your right side so that you're in a banana shape. Lengthen out your right leg, then your left. So remember, you can keep your legs next to each other or cross your left leg over your right. So again, check your hip bones. You can place your hands on your hips and make sure that you're grounding down through your hips, especially your left one. Keep your arms wherever is comfortable. And take a moment here to allow this pose to land in your body. Notice where you feel a stretch. Notice where your body feels like it's opening up. Keep your breath flowing. Take 2 more deep breaths. And then very slowly, mindfully move your body back to center. With your knees up, plant your feet into the ground. Now for a spinal twist, lift your hips up, scoot them over towards your right. As you breathe out, gently let your knees fall to your left side and maybe adjust yourself. So take a moment here to adjust your body, find your spinal twist pose. You can place your left hand on your right knee, open up your right arm to the right side, ground down through your shoulder blades, and take about 5 deep breaths here. So each time you exhale, allow the twist to go a little bit deeper. You don't need to force anything, just allow it to happen. Deepen your breath. Slowly come back to center, align your spine, and this time scoot your hips a little bit over to your left side. As you breathe out, gently let your knees fall to your right. Keep your shoulder blades on the ground. Your right hand can hold on to your left knee, left arm can open up towards your left. So find your most comfortable spinal twist and then stay there for about 5 deep breaths. It's a really nice way to ground yourself, release stress, release any tension, and also to lubricate your spine and gently massage your organs. Take your final breath. And then slowly come back to center. And then from there, roll over to your right side into a fetal position. And gently push yourself up. Take a seat in a cross-legged position or any other position that feels good. If you're sitting in a cross-legged position, spin your inner thighs down and away. Elongate your spine. For a neck stretch, interlace your hands behind you and place your hands on your left hip. So you can go ahead and mirror me. Then take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, gently drop your left ear towards your left shoulder. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck, relax your facial muscles, and release any neck tension with every breath out. Take your final breath. Then bring your head back to center and switch sides. Now bring your interlaced hands on your right hip. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Keep your breath flowing. Unclench your jaw. Soften your eyelids. Relax and release with every breath. Very good. And slowly inhale, come back to center. Exhale. Then place your hands on your knees as you breathe in. Shrug your shoulders up towards your ears. And deep breath out. Release, drop your shoulders down. And place your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. And give yourself a big thank you that you took this time to step onto your yoga mat. Maybe even though you didn't feel like it, you did it anyway. And also remember that yoga doesn't have to look a certain way. You can always listen to your body and honor yourself on and off the yoga mat. And then let's seal our practice together. Bring your arms out to the sides. As you breathe in, circle your arms up, gather all the love, light, and blessings. Exhale, unite your palms. Bring all those blessings into your whole being. and place your hands in prayer position. Thank you so much for practicing with me. It's my wish that this yoga practice is a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Hey Yogi, thank you so much for stepping on the yoga mat with me. You did it, and I'm super proud of you. I have this gift for you that I would love to send to you. It's a beautiful flow for gratitude. All you need to do is click the link below this video, enter your first name and your email, and then I'll send it to you right away. So make sure that you get that gift, and then also make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. So hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, share it with your friends and your family, and also share a little bit about your yoga journey in the comments. If you have any questions or feedback or just about how it went for you, I would love to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again on the yoga mat. Bye for now.